Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine, the BISSELL PowerSteamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner, Model 2685A. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this impressive cleaning tool is all about. The BISSELL PowerSteamer is a versatile steam cleaning system designed to tackle a wide range of dirt and grime, not just indoors but also outdoors. With its powerful, high-temperature steam capabilities, this cleaner can blast away dirt, grease, stains, and even mold across various surfaces. Whether you're dealing with sealed hard floors, your car's interior, or outdoor furniture, this steam cleaner has you covered. One of the standout features of the BISSELL PowerSteamer is its 3-in-1 functionality. It easily transforms from an upright steam mop to an extended reach steam cleaner and even a handheld steam cleaner. This means you can use it for everything from floors to hard-to-reach spots like windows or tight corners. The flexibility it offers makes it a convenient addition to any cleaning arsenal. Another significant advantage of this product is its focus on chemical-free cleaning. With the PowerSteamer, you can sanitize your surfaces using just the power of steam. It eliminates up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria, making it an ideal choice for families with children or pets, or for anyone who is conscious about using harsh chemicals in their home. The BISSELL PowerSteamer also features variable steam modes and an on-demand trigger. This allows you to control the intensity and amount of steam being released based on your specific cleaning needs. Whether you need a light steam for delicate surfaces or a powerful blast for tough grime, this steam cleaner adapts to your requirements. Storage is a breeze with the BISSELL PowerSteamer, thanks to its convenient wall mount. This feature ensures that your steam cleaner is neatly stored away when not in use, saving valuable space in your home or garage. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking for efficient ways to keep your home clean, or a car enthusiast who wants to maintain the interior of your vehicle, the BISSELL PowerSteamer is a great fit. It's also perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable cleaner for their boats, ATVs, or outdoor furniture. Essentially, if you're someone who values cleanliness and efficiency, this steam cleaner is worth considering. Now let's take a look at some practical use cases for this powerful cleaner. Imagine cleaning your kitchen floors after dinner, no more scrubbing on your hands and knees. With the BISSELL PowerSteamer, you can swiftly glide over the floor, sanitizing it in one pass. Moving on to outdoor cleaning, think about how easily you can revitalize your patio furniture or clean windows without the need for harsh chemicals. And when it comes to your vehicle, the handheld option allows you to easily clean the upholstery and even the engine bay. In conclusion, the BISSELL PowerSteamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner is a multifunctional cleaning powerhouse that makes maintaining cleanliness in your home, vehicle, and outdoor spaces more manageable and eco-friendly. With its impressive features and versatile applications, it stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning.